What's good, everybody? It's John Alexander and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're unboxing another early release Yeezy. So guys, stay tuned for the video. We're also going to give you the rules on how to enter the giveaway. So stay tuned for today's video coming right up. Alright guys, so June has been a crazy month for Yeezy releases. Ye came with the black 350 V2s, which set the sneaker world on fire. People were so hyped about those. He came with the Vantas, and not to mention those pairs came in kids and infant sizes as well. Tefras, and we still got coming up the 700 utility blacks, which I'm waiting on my pair to come. But in today's video we're talking about this pickup right here, which is the Lundmarks. So guys, also the channel has hit 2,000 subscribers. If y'all haven't done so, do yourselves a huge favor and smash that subscribe button. At the end of today's video, if you guys make it all the way through the end, you're gonna find out how to win this t-shirt right here. This is the Supreme King of New York t-shirt. This is of course lime green. I just checked StockX before this video. This shirt, the last sale was at like $60, so this is a $60 value that you guys are gonna get for free by just watching the end of today's video to enter the giveaway. So thank you guys so much. We've been moving at a decent pace. 2,000 subscribers is dope, and I guess we'll do the next giveaway soon as well. But anyways, how many of y'all picked up the Tefras? The Tefras are low-key like one of the most underrated Yeezys. I absolutely love my pair, and really excited to pick up the utility blacks. But for now, we do have this sneaker pretty early for y'all. The Lundmarks are were pushed back, so they're set to release July 12th, I believe. It's either July 11th, 12th, or 13th. But you never know, like with Yeezys, how they get pushed back. So this sneaker is part of the regional exclusive pack, which they're doing again, which seemed to work well last time around when they did the True Forms and the Clays and the what are they called? The Hyperspace. Yeah, so this is the US release. Again, the US, North America is receiving the Lundmarks here, and Europe and Africa, I believe, is supposed to be getting the Antilla pair, which is like a yellowish color, which they say is kind of close to the Butters. And then Asia and I guess like the Australia, that region, Pacific, is going to be receiving the Synth pair, and those are going to be dropping this weekend, June 12th, so, or the 22nd. And they're also dropping them in a reflective non-reflection version in kid sizes as well. Alright y'all, so you guys tuned in for this right here. We got this pair for GOAT. So we've seen it again. So the difference with these pairs is they're still on the translucent wave with the translucent stripe, but no pull tab on these. So let me know your thoughts and opinions. What do you guys think about the pull tab situation? For me, I would say I like them better with no pull tab. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. So new Yeezy release. So y'all see the official colorway, Lundmark. And let's get into the shoes, y'all. Got this pair off GOAT, and this is gonna be my first reaction. So first off, the Look at that. That's different. So this pair that y'all see is the static reflective version that we're comparing to these. Sorry, I don't have the non-reflective static, so I can't really compare those two. But off the first impression of these guys, I'm actually, I don't know. I'm still on the fence about these. They are nice. Believe it or not, having the no pull tab is a nice touch on these. What are your guys' thoughts and opinions? We need to know, people. Are these a must-have? Are y'all copping or dropping these? I'm still really on the fence. I don't know. I kind of like them. So let's take a look at these up close for y'all. Alright guys, so the Lundmarks are actually pretty fire. Definitely feel different about them, as I always do when I see Yeezys in person. Actually, an update on the boxes. It doesn't say Lundmark, it says Lundmark as the official colorway. So these are dope. Bottom, like most people were saying, it's kind of like looks like a yellow static, but it's really like a tannish color. What's different about the midsole is it does look kind of like a yellow static for real, and the upper has like an off-white creamish tone mixed in with like gray, and no reflective. Except for 3M on the laces, of course. Again guys, they are releasing a full static version of these as well. And then you have again the translucent stripe cage, which features like a tan creamish color as well. So guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. Out of the regional exclusive pack, I haven't seen the other two colors in hand, but I would honestly say that these were probably like my least favorite. Some people think these are the best, but let me know what y'all think. Rank them. For me, I would have to go with Synths at number 1 and Tillers at number 2, and then these Lundmarks as my third favorite out of that pack. So do y'all think this was an unnecessary release after the statics? I kind of want to say yeah. My honest opinion, I feel like Ye's been finessing us honestly a little bit lately, dropping these different colorways, but I understand what they're doing. So shout out to Adidas, get y'all money. Shout out to Ye, get your money. But I don't know. I'm still on the fence about these guys. So are y'all gonna cop these or not? And if y'all want to see a comparison, got the static reflectives, Lundmark non-reflectives. So also notable, what's noteworthy is that the statics non-reflectives were also a little bit of a darker color, in which you could see the knit material better, as the this reflective pair was a lighter tone, which you could see less. Not too sure what the reflective version of this one's gonna look like exactly, but we were excited to get this pair early for the channel for you guys to see. So again, here's the bottom, static, So what are y'all thoughts and opinions on these Yeezy releases? Coming up on the channel, guys, I'm gonna be doing, I gotta do the how to style Vantas. We're also dropping a how to style on the Tefras, and then we got the utility blacks coming up next. But I do, before I drop all of those, I do also have a surprise video that we'll be doing next. So that's gonna probably wrap it up, but let's go ahead, guys, and get into the giveaway info. So let's get into that right now. All right, y'all, so thank you guys so much for staying tuned to the end of the video. We finally reached 2,000 subscribers. So to give back to everybody, I'm gonna be giving away to one of you guys out here this Supreme King of New York t-shirt. So the rules for this giveaway are real easy, guys. Of course, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. The next step, just like last time, you guys gotta just follow me on IG, which is right down in the description as always. And then the most important part, guys, so everybody that watched this video, all you gotta do is just like and leave a comment on this photo right here that I posted. Just leave any comment that you feel like, and I'm gonna pick one of the winners out of the comment section on that photo on my IG. So you guys just gotta follow those steps. If you're not doing them all, I can't pick you, so make sure you really legit followed all the steps, and I'll be mailing this out to you guys. Last time Joshua Vasquez got the Yeezy socks, and this time one of you guys could win this Supreme King of New York t-shirt. So shout out to everybody that's been watching and all the love and support that y'all been giving me. So guys, go ahead and enter that giveaway. And so back to the Yeezys. Before we wrap it up, guys, I'm really starting to feel these a lot. So one last look at them for y'all. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and showing love. My name is John Alexander. You guys have a blessed day. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.